Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to ILoiLo. The information the time now is 43 minutes past our 4 in the afternoon. We are pleased to announce that we are 42 minutes ahead of our schedule. And for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Cell phones must remain in silent mode or flight mode until you disembark. Do not remove the carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop. And before you disembark, please check your seating area for any hand-carried items you might leave behind. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, with Captain Randy Campos, First Officer Darwin Umawas, and the rest of the Airbus 320 crew, thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines. We hope to see you again soon in one of your future flights.